Hi, I'm Tim Hamilton with StellarQuest Real Estate, and this is our housing market update for Southern California, where we're going to be discussing the median home price for most of the major counties here, as well as talking about the expected market time in the counties. And then we'll also just quickly be talking about where the 30-year fixed rate mortgage is at this point, because that's been one of the largest driving forces on how the housing market has been performing recently. I'm Tim Hamilton with StellarQuest Real Estate. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Southern California, feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can find all of my contact information in the description below. More than happy to answer your questions and let you know what we can do to help you. So let's get right into it, and we're going to start by discussing the median home price for these counties. And we get this information from InfoSparks, which gets their data directly from the California Regional Multiple Listing Service. And what we're looking at here is residential home sales for single-family residences, condos, and townhomes. So starting with Orange County, in March, the median home price rose to $999,694, which was up from $969,202 in February. So on a month-over-month basis, that's a 3.1% increase. But year over year, so comparing March 2023 to March 2022, the median home price is still down 4.8% in Orange County. Looking at Los Angeles County, in March, the median home price rose to $820,000 from $791,000 in February. So on a month-over-month basis, that's a 3.7% increase, and year over year, the median home price is still down 5.7%. In San Diego County, median home price rose to $825,000 in March, which was up from $780,000 in February. So that's a very large 5.8% increase on a month-over-month basis. Year over year, median home price is still down 2.4%. Looking at Ventura County, in March, the median home price rose to $792,192, which was up from $750,000 in February. So another big gain here in Ventura, 5.6% on a month-over-month basis. And year over year, median home price is still down 3.4%. Now looking at Riverside County, this was the only county we're covering that actually had a decrease in the median home price. So in March, it was at $561,445, which was down from $564,908 in February. So it's only down 0.6%, year over year, down 5.6%. And San Bernardino County, last county we're going to cover, in March, the median home price rose to $500,000, which was up from $490,000 in February. So a 2% gain on a month-over-month basis, and the median home price is unchanged from a year ago, so 0% change on a year-over-year basis. So that covers the median home prices for these counties. And before we move on to expected market time, I just wanted to quickly mention that a lot of people prefer to look at a home price index, such as the Case-Shiller Home Price Index or the Fannie Mae Home Price Index when analyzing home values, because the median home price, it can change based on factors other than actually an increase in home values. So, for example, if more people decide to start buying more expensive homes, the median home price could rise, even though, home prices themselves haven't actually changed much. Now, I will say from experience, I would say that, the median home prices we just covered are fairly representative of what we're seeing in the market. We are seeing home prices increase. We're seeing multiple offers on the most desirable homes that are selling above the asking price and above the most recent comparable sales. So I would say that this data is fairly reflective of what we're seeing in the market. And the reason I personally don't cover the home price indexes on these monthly updates is because that data tends to lag by a couple months. So by the time that data comes out, it's kind of old, and the median home price is a much quicker, much faster way to look at what home prices are doing. Now we're going to move on and talk about the expected market time for each of these counties. And for those of you who don't know, the expected market time is the average number of days it takes for a home to accept an offer after being listed for sale. So the lower the expected market time, the faster the market's moving, which typically means home prices are increasing. And the larger the expected market time, that starts to move towards a buyer's market where homes are sitting longer and buyers have more room in the negotiation. And so right now we have, very low expected market times across the board, starting with Los Angeles County. It's currently sitting at 57 days. Anything below 60 days is considered a hot seller's market. In Orange County, we're at 41 days. Riverside County at 55 days. San Bernardino County at 58 days, San Diego County at 34 days, and Ventura County at 35 days. So you'll see that those kind of match up with, San Diego County and Ventura County have the largest increases in the median home price. They also have the lowest expected market time. So that, shows that this indicator is working as far as determining the speed of the market right now. And lastly, I just wanted to quickly touch on mortgage rates. And so what we're looking at here is the 30-year fixed rate mortgage according to Mortgage News Daily. And you can see that rates have come down quite a bit over the past month. We started March with rates over 7%. And as of April 6th, we're showing an interest rate here on Mortgage News Daily of 6.18%. So as mortgage rates drop, that really helps buyers with what they can qualify to purchase and overall affordability of buying a home. So normally when we see rates drop like this, it does increase buyer demand. We see, some buyers that were sitting on the fence decide to jump back into the market to take advantage of the lower rates. So this is something that will continue to fuel the market and heat the market up if rates continue to drop.